how to find really good YouTube SEO titles. So you want to improve your SEO when you're uploading a video to YouTube to get the most out of it and get the most views. Here I will show you how. This is a video I was uploading, and what you want to do is you want to go to this website, ugen.pages.dev. You drop your video here in the input, and we can show what it looks like here. Open it in a new tab. You drop your video in here and it will generate the transcript, and then from the transcript it will generate very precise titles, descriptions and tags, and you can just generate more if you want them. Then you copy them over with this button here, copy, and then you go into YouTube, not this video, here, and you paste them here. Then you want to get the browser extension from vidIQ, and when you look up title, it will give you an SEO score. So here we paste in the title we just got, and then this will have an SEO score or competition score of 30, so that's not really good. Then you generate a new title here by clicking the plus button, and then you copy it over again. You go back to YouTube, paste it here, look for it until you find something at least above 50, preferably above 60, and if you're reaching into 70, that's really good, especially for smaller channels. Then you really don't want to put titles on your videos that have high competition and a low total score, because you will not get search results. Your best opportunity when your channel has low views and low subscribers is to rank high with search, and it will also have a lasting effect for your videos, so it won't die down as quickly. So then we have the title, we just paste it in here, and we also got the description from here. We copied it in here and in here, and that will mention your keywords and just get an engaging description that is very precise to what's said in the video. So you will have keywords here, and it also has tags down here, and that really helps with your SEO total overall. So yeah, go to ugen.pages.dev and try it out, get your SEO score up. Goodbye.